6 simple ways to use tea tree oil to remove blackheads. We almost never know what to do with blackheads. While a lot of sources recommend squeezing and scrubbing, a lot of others don't. Bet you didn't know that getting rid of blackheads is actually quite simple. As long as you're stocked with tea tree oil, you're good. In this article, I've put together a list of the 6 different ways you can use tea tree oil to get rid of blackheads. But first, let's look at how tea tree oil helps to get rid of blackheads. Does tea tree oil remove blackheads? Tea tree oil has excellent disinfecting, soothing, and antibacterial properties. For this reason, it makes for an excellent choice of ingredient when it comes to treating different forms of acne. The oil makes its way under the clogging in your pores by penetrating your skin deeply. It then helps disinfect the pores and dries out the blackhead and unclogs your pores. How to use tea tree oil to get rid of blackheads. 1. Fuller's Earth and tea tree oil for blackheads. You will need 2 to 3 drops tea tree oil, 1 tablespoon Fuller's Earth, 1 tablespoon water, a steamer. Prep time: 2 minutes. Treatment time: 25 minutes. Method: steam your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Combine the ingredients until you get a smooth mixture. Evenly apply this mixture onto your face as you would a face mask. Avoid getting too close to your eyes or your mouth. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. How often? Twice a week. 2. Tea tree oil bath for blackheads. You will need a hot bath, 1 teaspoon tea tree oil, 2 cups Epsom salt. Prep time: 2 minutes. Treatment time: 30 to 45 minutes. Method: draw a hot bath and to it add about a teaspoon of tea tree oil and 2 cups Epsom salt. Soak in the bath for 30 to 45 minutes. Step out of the bath and pat yourself dry. How often? 1 to 2 times a week. 3. Tea tree oil facial scrub for blackheads. You will need 1 tablespoon fine sugar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 to 2 drops tea tree oil, a steamer. Prep time: 2 minutes. Treatment time: 15 minutes. Method: steam your face for about 5 to 10 minutes. Combine all the ingredients until you get a coarse mixture. Apply this mixture onto your face and massage gently in circular motions. Massage for a couple of minutes and then rinse your face with cool water. How often? 2 to 3 times a week. 4. Tea tree oil moisturizer for blackheads. You will need non-comedogenic moisturizer, 1 drop tea tree oil. Prep time: 2 minutes. Treatment time: 2 minutes. Method: wash your face with warm water to help relax your pores. Dispense a pitacoin-sized amount of your non-comedogenic moisturizer. To this, add a drop of tea tree oil. Gently massage the moisturizer into your skin, paying special attention to the blackhead-prone areas. How often? Every day. 5. Jojoba and tea tree oil for blackheads. You will need 1 teaspoon jojoba oil, 1 drop tea tree oil, a steamer. Prep time: 2 minutes. Treatment time: 10 minutes. Method: steam your face for a couple of minutes to help relax your pores. Combine the ingredients to create an oil blend. Massage this oil blend into your skin in gentle circular motions. Massage for about 5 minutes and then proceed to wash your face with cool water and a cleanser. How often? Every night before you sleep. 6. Tea tree oil cleanser for blackheads. You will need 1 squeeze of an oil-free facial cleanser, 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil. Prep time: 1 minute. Treatment time: 2 minutes. Method: splash your face with warm water to help relax your pores. Dispense a pitacoin-sized amount of your facial cleanser. To this, add a drop of tea tree oil. Gently massage your face with the cleanser until you work up a good lather. After about a minute of massaging, rinse your face with cool water. How often? 1 to 2 times a day.